Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So you accidentally threw away your label? Don't panic, don't worry. You can always reprint it anytime inside the Etsy platform, Etsy app. It depends. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to reprint a shipping label on Etsy. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So how are we gonna do this? How are we gonna access the PDF, all of this? It's basically in Shop Manager. So all we're gonna do is open our device, make sure we are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go and look for Etsy.com, then tap on the link, open this new page, then make sure we log into the correct account by using our email address and password. Then we're gonna go and tap on Shop Manager. Then go and access orders and shipping. See the products you want the label for. Basically, you should locate the shipped order, then click download label again. Then open the PDF and print it. You're gonna ask me how would I print it? It's basically easy, just go, switch printer settings to actual size, look for the portrait orientation, then look for any correct paper size, then tap on print. All you're gonna do after this is cut and securely attach your package. You can basically use a thermal printer if you want to save any ink long term. As for like some important notes, you can reprint the same label anytime. If you need changes, you can basically check weight, address, service. You must request a refund and purchase a new other label, since you can't just change an old one. And that's the whole idea here. So thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.